All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is your Realtor Hugo here with another live. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, it is my pleasure to have you guys here in this wonderful little show where we spend about 10 minutes a day learning about real estate and how it can benefit you and those around you. I'm your host, Hugo Quintanilla, a licensed realtor in Maryland with Long and Foster. Feel free and reach out if you're interested in buying, selling, leasing, or investing. My phone number, 240-389-4846. My email, hugo@lnf.com, and my website, yourrealtorhugo.com. Again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be talking about financing your home options and opportunities. So feel free and share the live with anyone that you know on your favorite platforms. Number one, understanding mortgages, fixed rate mortgages. Your interest rate stays the same for the life of the loan. Great for long-term stability. And there's also this other type called adjustable rate mortgages, ARMs. Your interest rates can change over time. Ideal if you can plan to move or refinance soon. Number two, getting pre-approved. Why is it important? You hear it all the time in advertising. Pre-approval shows sellers you're serious and can afford the home. It also helps you know your budget. Number three, first time homebuyer programs, FHA loans, lower down payments, and credit score requirements. Perfect for first time homebuyers. VA loans, no down payment for veterans, a fantastic way to honor our heroes. You do have to be part of the veteran program or related to it, I believe. So, number four, down payment assistance, grants, loans, explore local and state programs offering financial help for your down payment. Number five, understanding interest rates. Fixed interest versus variable interest. Fixed rates offer stability while variable rates might save you money in the short term. But remember, you always want to look at the terms and conditions of what it is that you're signing and how long your term is for payment, and also what your payments are going to look like. Number six, private mortgage insurance, PMI. What is it? If your down payment is less than 20%, which most people it is, you might need PMI. It protects the lender, not you. But after you meet that 20% equity in the home, you've paid that off over time, that can be applied to be removed. So don't fret. It's something that is just there to protect the loan and the lender from default if you are unable to purchase the home or continue to pay for the home, I should say. Number seven, choosing the right lender. Shop around. Compare rates, fees, customer service, and don't just settle for the first offer on the table. Number eight, the importance of credit scores. Boost your score, pay bills on time, reduce debts, and avoid new credit inquiries before applying. Number nine, budgeting for home ownership beyond the mortgage. Remember to budget for property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and utilities. Remember, that's why I always tell you that buying a home might not be for everybody, because with renting you have that baseline price that you pay plus your utilities, but with owning a home you have your mortgage, which is the minimum you're going to be paying, plus the property taxes and any sort of expenses and any sort of utility costs that you might incur. So it's a lot more expense. So you have to be financially fit and ready to take on that challenge. Number 10, refinancing options. When to refinance. Lower your interest rate, change your loan term, or cash out equity when rates drop. That's really the best time to refinance, but it's always on a case by case basis. And remember, we're just coming out of a period of time that was historic when it comes to interest rates being at a all-time low. So don't expect it to be there again anytime soon. But if there is any sort of change in the rates or you hear of interest rate cuts, what's undoubtedly going to happen is that more people are going to go into the market, and inevitably there's going to be more competition. So, what we've all been suggesting, anyone that's looking to really move in 2024, is to start looking now. Don't wait till the rates drop. Get financially fit, get financially savvy, and then head out there and actually, start looking at homes. Try to make it happen now while there isn't that much competition and showings are down and new contracts are low. So, something to think about. If you're just joining us today, we were talking about financing your home options and opportunities. Number one was understanding the mortgage. Number two was getting pre approved. Number three was first time home buying programs. Number four was down payment assistance. Number five was understanding interest rates. Number six was private mortgage insurance. Number seven was choosing the right lender. Number eight, the importance of credit scores. Number nine, budgeting for home ownership, and number 10, refinancing options. So again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in. That was the Daily Real Estate Live, where we talk about real estate. I'll be back in a few minutes to talk about some other topic with the mental health check-in. Okay, so stick around, tune into that one. Same channel, same network. I'll see you guys.